So can you run Amazon a link on Google Ads? You know, that is a question which landed here this video, and I'm going to answer you in this video regarding can you run Amazon links for promoting on Google Ads. We all know that Google Ads is a very famous digital advertising platform through which you can reach thousands, or not thousands, millions, billions of people, because Google Ads system runs on Google search engines, Google partner websites, and with Google AdSense, people are running Google Ads on their website to make money, and you can, as an advertiser, advertise on those locations to get your ad off to the world. Also, YouTube is a part of Google, and uh, on YouTube you can also see Google Ads. So yeah, Google is a big market. So as a if you own a product on Amazon, and the question is, can you run your Amazon product promotion on Google Ads? So let me answer it, and I will also answer the question regarding if you are an Amazon affiliate and you want to promote those links, can you promote them on Google Ads or not? So I will be answering both of these questions in this video, so you have to stay with me because I'm going to answer both of them. So first thing first, uh, the first thing is, can I run Amazon links on Google Ads? Yes, you can run Amazon links, or links of Amazon products on Google Ads. Yeah, you can do it. That is allowed. There is no harm to advertise it. None of the policies, as long as you're following the Google Ads policies. I have a separate video regarding Google Ads policies where I have discussed about like e-cigarettes or products which are not being allowed by Google as a platform. So it doesn't matter if these products are on Amazon or any other places, they by default do not allow those products, so such as e-cigarettes, vapes, and other products. When for some like health products you need certificates as well, but again that should be requirement of Amazon as well. So now move on to the next question, like, can you run uh, or promote Amazon links as an Amazon affiliate? Now that is an interesting question, because that there is no harm in being an Amazon, if you are an owner, or if you're promoting your own product on Amazon, and you want to run your ads, there are no issues. But the question is that as an Amazon affiliate, can you run or promote any Amazon affiliate link? So what Google says is, Google actually want the real owner to advertise or promote on Google. Google says that is the right of the real owner to promote that product. No one else has a right to promote such product, which is why no, you cannot run or promote. Now hold on, because I have to answer another thing as well. So you cannot run or promote Amazon affiliate link on Google. Yeah, I just let me admit this thing. Yeah, you cannot run it. Google doesn't allow Google, because Google says that only the original owner has the right to promote, but only the original owner has the right to promote. But you must be saying, like, I have seen people promoting Amazon affiliate links on Google. So how does they do? So there are multiple ways through which you can do legally and and unethical as well. There's one method as well. So the short method, in case if you want to run Amazon affiliate link on Google, and that is by default, that is not allowed by Google, and that is using by clocking. Now with the clocking, you show a different page whenever a Google Boots visit, and whenever a visitor visits, you show him a different page. So now this thing doesn't last for long, and your accounts eventually get suspended, and you people says like, my Google Ads account suspended for circumventing system. Now what to do? I haven't validated any policy. Guys, you did validate a policy, and by clocking, you actually showed a fake page to Google Boot and another page to the visitor. So that method is not allowed by official, but people are running and promoting links as an Amazon affiliate on Google by that method. But there is another interesting and good method through which you can promote as an affiliate marketer. You can promote Amazon link as an Amazon affiliate. And what is the procedure? And that is to have your own landing page. Ideally, what people do is create a product review page. So in case if you could create a product review page where you discuss about pros and cons of Amazon, you discuss in details regarding what are the benefits of a specific product, regarding 5 benefits of this product is like this and 5 negative points about this. Add some customer testimonials or videos and stuff like this, and have a page with the proper about us, contact us, and privacy policy, terms of service page. And then in case if you want to run, you can run it that way, because now you own the landing page. Previously I was saying that because Google wants only the original owner to promote it, but now you own that landing page. Okay, so now because you own that landing page, it means that you can promote that landing page. So the legal way or the ethical way to promote Amazon products as an affiliate on Google is to create a product review page. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching it out, and in case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you guys are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye.